Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account. This will be a very simple task, so please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. The very first thing you have to do is to open the PayPal app. Once you do that, you're going to want to find balance at the top of your screen. This will take you to your PayPal balance overview. Now, all you have to do is just click on transfer. And if it asks for your password, just simply do that as well. Now that you're here, you can either tap on instant or standard. With instant, it has a 1% fee, and standard has an automatically set fee depending on the country. So all you have to do is just make sure your bank account is linked to your PayPal. Just simply tap on your bank account and tap the amount of money. Just type it in and click send and you're done. You've officially sent money to your bank account from your PayPal account. Now this may take 2 to 4 business days, so you may have to wait. But after you wait for that long, then you're going to receive your money. That's pretty much it for this video. If I helped you in any sort of way, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions. And that'll be all for this video. Thank you and goodbye.